Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
8 common phrasal verbs with tear. Like and subscribe to the channel. Tear apart. Meaning, to destroy something completely or criticize harshly. Examples: the storm tore apart their home. The critics tore apart the movie in their reviews. Tear down. Meaning, to demolish a structure or criticize something strongly. Examples: they're going to tear down the old shopping mall. The politician tore down her opponent's arguments. Tear up. Meaning, to rip something into small pieces, or become emotional to the point of crying. Examples: he tore up the contract in frustration. She teared up during the emotional speech. Tear off. Meaning, to remove something quickly or hastily. Example: she tore off the price tag before wearing the dress. Tear away. Meaning, to force someone to leave or take them away reluctantly. Example: he had to be torn away from his work to join the party. Tear into. Meaning, to attack something or someone verbally or physically. Example: the coach tore into the team after their poor performance. Tear through. Meaning, to move or act quickly, often causing disruption. Example: the kids tore through the house, leaving a mess behind. Tear along. Meaning, to describe moving or traveling very quickly, or with great urgency. It conveys a sense of speed, and possibly recklessness. Examples: the car tore along the highway at full speed. He tore along the path, eager to reach the finish line. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications.